My cabbage casserole with ground beef is an easy dish that you can make on a busy weeknight. Sauté ground beef in a large pot. Once it's slightly brown, add in the white onion and carrots. Sauté until the onions and carrots are translucent. Sprinkle with garlic powder. Add in green pepper and sauté. Add in salt, pepper, sugar, and paprika. Add in diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Add in cooked white rice. Set this mixture aside in a separate bowl. In the same pot, add olive oil, cabbage, and water. Let the water simmer until the cabbage starts to soften and the water has evaporated. Add half the cabbage to the casserole dish and then a layer of the beef and rice mixture. Add the remaining half of cabbage and remaining beef. Top with shredded mozzarella cheese. Cover with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Uncover and bake for an additional 20 minutes. You can find more busy weeknight meal ideas on our website.